Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.